In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix numbering in MS Word. If your numbered list suddenly starts over, skips a number, or refuses to follow on from the previous section, don't worry. This quick method will get things back in order without rebuilding the list from scratch. We'll start by resetting the list. Think of this as telling Word exactly how you want the numbering to behave. Either start fresh at 1 or pick up from the last number used earlier in the document. The key is to be clear about which part of the list you want to affect. First, highlight the numbered list you want to fix. Drag your cursor across the lines you want Word to renumber. If you intend to change the entire list, select the entire block. If it's only a section that's misbehaving, highlight just that portion. Selecting precisely what you need ensures Word applies the change only where you want it. Next, right-click a number in the highlighted list. Make sure you right-click directly on the number itself, not the text next to it. That tells Word you want to adjust the numbering controls, not just the paragraph formatting. If you don't see the right options, try clicking on a different number in the selection to make sure Word recognizes the list properly. Now choose what you want the list to do. If you need the selection to begin again from the top, click Restart at 1. This is perfect when a list has climbed to a higher number by mistake and you want that section to start cleanly at 1. Word will renumber the highlighted lines in sequence from 1 onward. Alternatively, if Word has restarted your list at 1 but you actually want it to continue from a previous list above, click Continue Numbering. This tells Word to carry on the sequence so your new items follow the last correct number. It's especially useful when you've inserted content between lists or pasted text and the numbering broke in the process. After applying your choice, glance through the list to confirm the numbers now run exactly as expected. If something still looks off, double-check your selection and repeat the same action, ensuring you right-click a number within the portion you're adjusting. Small selection changes can make a big difference in how Word interprets your intent. That's all it takes. Highlight the list, right-click a number, and choose either Restart at 1 or Continue Numbering. With these two options, you can quickly bring any misnumbered list back under control and keep your document clean, consistent, and easy to read.